Post-pregnancy can leave many mothers wanting to look the way they did before pregnancy. Many more mommy makeovers are being scheduled than ever before, but is it the right decision for you? We have plastic surgeon Dr. Michael Hynes and patient Andy Fredrickson here to talk with us today about the pluses and minuses about having plastic surgery. And thank you, doctor, for being here. What are you seeing, I guess, in the past few years, I guess, skyrocketing scheduling for these mommy makeovers?
It's absolutely correct. People finally are realizing that after pregnancy, weight gain, weight loss cycles, you lose the volume in your breast, you lose the skin tone in your tummy, and no amount of exercise is going to bring it back.
And Andy, you actually went through the procedure. It took you a while to kind of decide that you were actually going to go through with this. Tell me what you had and how it changed your life.
Well, the decision to go into this sort of drastic procedure was a tough one, just because you put yourself at risk, and because there's always risk with surgery, and then you have to spend the money, and I think as a mom, overall, you feel kind of guilty about both of those things, but just to go in and make the decision that, yeah, I need to take care of myself. And
again, you got a tummy tuck and a breast lift.
I did.
Okay.
I did, and this was after I lost a significant amount of weight. So it wasn't a procedure to help me lose the weight. It was after I lost the weight.
And doctor, psychologically, and I'll ask Andy too, what are you seeing, what are moms telling you about the way they look? Because obviously that can affect your self-esteem and your confidence in your body, what you think of yourself.
What they're telling me before the surgery is that they're losing some of that self-esteem. These are intelligent, working women. They are tired of the way they look. They don't feel feminine. And by having the combination procedures of tummy tuck, breast lift, or breast augmentation, their self-esteem, their self-worth, their whole general attitude improves. Dramatic
changes, would you say, with Andy?
Absolutely dramatic.
Okay. And your thoughts, pleased, obviously, with the outcome?
I am. I am a musician, and just before, when I sang in public and when I was in front of people, I was really anxious, and I always thought, oh, they're looking at how heavy I am, and they're looking at, and so this was kind of, but now I just sang at a concert, a one-on-one concert a couple of weeks ago, and I had a great time because I didn't think about the way I looked. I just got to go up there and perform, and it has changed. It has changed me, and I feel more confident.
And I want to also ask both of you, what should people and patients keep in mind, because we're not, KCTV5 is not advocating plastic surgery, but what should you keep in mind if you are thinking about doing a procedure, say a tummy tuck, breast lift?
Well, certainly I think the first thing you want to do is you want to seek out a board-certified plastic surgeon and talk about your options. Not everybody's a candidate, but if you are, you can certainly benefit by the surgery.
I did quite a bit of research before. I visited Dr. Hynes' website where I could see before and after pictures. I went to the consultation. I actually went to a couple of different doctors to, just to kind of get their opinions. And
that's pretty important.
It is important. And when the consultations are free, there's nothing, there's no risk. And so you go in and you kind of get to interview your doctor. And so, you just really just look and see what's out there and double check and look at their websites.
And we should add Dr. Hynes is board certified, and you were also voted KC Best in KC Magazine in 2006, correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
All right. Thank you both so much for joining us. Where are you located?
I'm at I-435 and State Line on the campus of St. Joseph Health Center.
All right. Thank you both so much.